Hey, so today on my commute home and to hang out with the little guy, something hit me. Today's been a long day, having client reviews, design demos, and just interacting with people in general. I thought about one thing that really was very important today, and it kind of dawned on me. And one that's building rapport, not only with your client, but with your teammates. Okay, that's very important, not only in the design process, but just any working relationship. Okay, so here's a few tips. There's more to this, but some things that really were a highlight for me today. One is building rapport. And you do that by sharing experiences. When you share experience, people start to share information. Why? Because you find commonalities within your experience or within the group and community, and you start to open up because you feel like someone connects and understands what you've gone through or what you've experienced entirely. That's one way. Number two, and that's just ask questions. Ask questions to find out what the needs, what the wants are, and just some of the experiences in general, because you never know. A lot of people come into working relationships with assumptions. A lot of users, a lot of clients, a lot of people who've been in the field in general, and they miss out on the opportunity of trying to find clarity in terms of what the client wants and the overall product vision and the goals of the product in general. So it's best to just ask more questions so you can get more insight as to what the true needs, wants, and the desires are for your teammates as well as your clients. As you start to see, each one of these builds upon the other. And last one, which is very brief but very important: take your time. Trust, building trust, becoming trustworthy, all of that takes time. A lot of people want to gain trust, I know, and move quickly through the process. And that doesn't always work that way, especially when you're being authentic. Here's an example. Let's say you're going to the dentist or to the doctor for whatever reason. And let's say the dentist and you're getting a root canal or you're getting some kind of service done. Would you want your doctor to A, rush through it? Or would you rather them take their time? In most cases, yes. 90% of people say that they would want that doctor to take their time. Why? Because there's focused effort there. There's intention there. And so when you take your time and go through the process and you work through the pace of the relationship, you build authenticity and you build trust over time because you show the consistency around that, and it makes for better engagement. So those were things that really hit home today when meeting with clients and giving some of these design reviews that just kind of stood out. And I'm aware of that. Most people I know are aware of it as well, but it takes for you to have that experience or actually to encounter something for it to be highlighted and very vivid to you. So that's all I have. I'm actually going to continue walking. I paused just to kind of talk about those things, shaky hands and all, but I'm here. So I'll see you in the next one, and I hope that helped for whatever reason. If you felt this video had value, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.